Like, share, and subscribe to Doit Industries for more updates.
Our new wax dissolving machine with hood is specially designed to remove support from wax pieces in a fast and efficient manner. The machine is completely enclosed, preventing fumes from escaping into the workspace. Equipped with a hood and high-power blower, it extracts the maximum amount of fumes and gases generated during the cleaning process, ensuring a safe, healthy, and accident-free working environment. Multi-platform cleaning. The system supports the simultaneous cleaning of 3 platforms to maximize productivity. It utilizes a centralized PLC with HMI interface to manage IPA filling, temperature, mechanical stirring, and drying. Features precision pumps for safe solvent filling and can hold up to 15 liters per tank. Includes a closed-loop heating system and programmable mechanical stirrers for uniform solvent circulation. An automated drying process ensures moisture removal post-cleaning. The process is user-friendly, easy, and can be completed in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Switch on the IPA, isopropyl alcohol, filling. Temperature controls and stir. Step 2. Insert wax pieces in solution. You can place the platform directly with wax pieces, or you can use wax pieces alone. Step 3. Dry wax pieces.